Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to blur video in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut on your PC. Import your video by clicking over here on import. And after that, just click on add to track. Now click on the video. Right click with your mouse and click on copy. Again, right click with your mouse and click on paste. Copy the video and put it over the top of the main video. Okay, now go over to effects. On top here, type in the search bar blur. Select this blur, click on add. Now here, click on add mask and select whatever mask you desire. I'm going with rectangle. Make your video blur using it. As you can see, now the video is blur. Okay, now if you have a moving object in your video, you have to choose keyframe. So just click over here on keyframe. As you can see, on right corner, click on add keyframe like this. Now as you can see, the video is blurred and the blur is moving. So that's it for the video. That's how you can blur video in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.